Hello and welcome to this short video for learners and their parents or carers to use when following the Exploring Science International ActiveBook. Here we will talk you through a unit outlining how it is structured and how you can work through it using the key features. There are 6 ebooks in the Exploring Science International series. These are based in 2 sets, either as a year set, which includes year 7, 8 and 9, or as a subject set, which includes chemistry, biology and physics. The list of contents can be found at the beginning of each book. This shows the units which are in the book. Biology units are units A to D, chemistry units, units E to H, and physics units, which are units I to L. This is the same whether you are using the year or subject set of books. If you are using the subject set of books, you will see that all 3 years of a subject are in one book. Each unit is broken into 5 topics, topics A to E. For example, the first topic of Unit 7A is topic 7AA. Let's use 7K forces to go through the unit structure and different pages within a unit. Each unit starts with an opener page. This page introduces the unit using prior knowledge from lower secondary curriculum or previous year 7 or 8 units. There are always questions on these pages for learners to answer and get them thinking about the unit. Now let's look at a topic page from the unit. In the top corner, you will see there is a yellow box. This will tell you if the topic covers important information from the curriculum you are following, whether that is the UK National Curriculum, International Lower Secondary, or 13+ Common Entrance Exam syllabus. Underneath the topic title, there is always an initiator question. This will help you focus on that particular topic. By the time you have worked through the page, you should be able to answer this question. As you work through the topic, it may refer to photographs or diagrams. These will show particular applications, examples, or a visual explanation of the concept the text is outlining. Key important words, those you need to understand and remember, are given in bold in the text. You will find that there are questions throughout the text. Answering these will ensure that you have understood the ideas given in the text immediately before the question and help you understand where you might have to do more work. On some pages, you may find different types of text. Here on 7KA Different Forces, there is a fact box. The fact box gives you an interesting fact which is associated with the topic page. At the end of each topic, there is always an I can box. This will give you key points which you should know from having worked through the topic. At this point, you can go back to look at the initiator question to see if you're able to answer it. One of the topics in each unit also has a STEM topic. This page focuses on a particular STEM career and skills associated with it. It links to the unit content too. Here in 7K, the STEM topic is 7KE, Designing Structures, which is based around the STEM skills used by architects and civil engineers in their work. There is always a practical or activity box at the end of the unit linked to the career and the skills explored. One of the topics in each unit also has a working scientifically topic. This page focuses on a key working scientifically skill to help students develop these skills. Here in 7K, the working scientifically topic is 7KD, SI units. The activities and questions on these pages will depend upon the skill being practiced. Each unit ends with a closer page. This page concludes the unit content and sets it in context. As well as text applying ideas from the unit and giving examples, there are further questions to answer. There is also a Have Your Say box, which outlines an issue for discussion which is related to the content of the unit. At the end of each book, there is a glossary. Remember those keywords in bold? You can find the meaning of these words in the glossary of each book. We hope you enjoy using Exploring Science, working scientifically, and that it helps you inspire you with real-world, engaging science, fascinating facts, examples, and activities.